Alright guys, we're gonna hit the trails here real quick, and I'm on a stock motocross KX250 that I haven't ridden in 2 years. Very snappy. Brandon is on my off-road KX250 behind me, which has recluse, gummy tire, flywheel weight, all the stuff you need. And we're going to do a couple laps and switch so he can see the drastic difference of the off-road build. And this one just died on me. Definitely got some jetting stuff to do on this one. Down everywhere, guys. Oh! Man, there are trees down everywhere. Thing's got no grunt. He's geared way down. But my goal is to do moto on this bike. Oh! and got stuck in the dip. Oh! Shit! Thing won't stay running. There's Corey.
I'm going to fuck out.
Are you?
I'm already tired from over there.
What do you think of that trail?
Oh,
yeah, I won't even make you do it on this one.
I was gonna say
it's way tougher, dude.
Yeah, I guarantee you.
You got the Recluse, so that one won't stall. Yeah. This one's dying anyway.
Yeah.
It's like not jetted or the idle's not set.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's gummy tire, moto tire. That's got a moto tire on the front too, but
doing on that thing?
it's only because I've run it so many times.
Yeah.
I know exactly where to put the wheels.
Dude, that first dip, the fucking reason I got stuck on that, the damn, like a tree limb or a tree or something about took my helmet off. I was like,
yeah.
So I was screwed.
So that's like kind of the single track we ride, but the guys, they keep the trails clean.
Yeah.
So you can flow.
Yeah.
You know, and it
can be fun.
You get 4 or 5 guys and you're winding around a mountainside and you can see for miles. It's so sick, dude.
Yeah. That could be fun.
It really is. Hey! It really is,
Hard
dude.
to do when you're already wore out.
Yeah, especially when you don't know the trail.
I don't know the trail and I don't really do it ever. So much tighter than you.
I couldn't believe you made it up that last dip on your first try. Everybody messes up there.
Really?
Yeah. That's where he looped it out and lost his license plate.
Picked it up.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, she made it up that time.
Did you?
Yeah. I think it's just that little dip, so I don't know, it's intimidating at first. And then when you look at it from the other way, it's like, that's nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah. And now there's a rut in it that's that much deeper, so it's like when you go down into it, your front wheel gets jarred.
Yeah.